once again, audience. It's me, AC God. Today, I'm gonna tell you about my Skype. My Skype is AC God, but you need to first to go to the adding searching. So search capital A, small c. Wait, small c. Sorry, small c and capital G and OD, small OD. Then you're gonna find this guy. Wait, this guy is not me. You're gonna find it like this one, AC God underscore 123. Then add a add a friend request message. Then I'm gonna add you. Then we're gonna talk together and we're gonna make some videos together. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Goodbye.